pagka-shine ba? Sandali ha.
Matt Leonard B. Castro.
Ha? Okay. Araray.
Sir Francis T. Baco.
Doktor na siya na inailangan na ba? Ha?
Francis will receive the Gold Eagle Award, as well as the Eager Beaver, Enthusiastic Learner, Little Teacher Award, Star Reader, Budding Scientist, and the Good Communicator Award. Sir Francis T. Baco. Vince Teo Mari. Vince is a Blue Eagle Award. He will also receive the following awards: Sunshine Kid Award, Determined Kid, Great Viewer, and the Sporting Kid Award. Vince Teo Mari. Marcelo Miguel P. Moneta. Miguel is a Red Eagle awardee. He will also receive the following awards: Fast Jump Award, Eager Beaver Award, Good Communicator Award, Tiny Tiger Award, and Best Penmanship. Marcelo Miguel P. Moneta. Jarvis Caleb S. Moraga. Jarvis is a Blue Eagle awardee. He will also receive the following awards: Happy Helper, Good Sport, and the Tiny Tiger Award. Jarvis Caleb S. Moraga. Sean Andre P. Perez. Sean is a Gold Eagle awardee. He will also receive the following awards: Determined Kid Award, Good Sport Award, Team Player Award, Young Dancer, Star Reader, and Budding Mathematician Award. Sean Andre P. Perez. Manu Andreas B. Blanco. Gatiliana. Maria Alessandra E. Cobello. Maria is a Red Eagle awardee. She will also receive the following awards: Golden Heart Award, Determined Kid, Awesome Artist, Tiny Tidy Award, and she's also the best in penmanship. Maria Alessandra E. Cobello. Giselle Frances R. Galwan. Giselle is a Blue Eagle awardee. She will also receive the following awards: Good Sport Award, Determined Kid Award, and the Young Dancer Award. Giselle Frances R. Galwan. Gabriel Zane T. Lin.
China.
Gabriel is a Gold Eagle awardee. She will also receive the following awards: Task Champ Award, Responsible Kid, Gorgeous Kid, Budding Scientist, and she's also the best in penmanship. Sunshine Remy S. Manlayo. Sunshine is a Gold Eagle awardee. She will also receive the following awards: Responsible Kid, Golden Heart Award, Gorgeous Kid, Honest Kid Award, Star Reader Award, Budding Scientist, and the Awesome Artist Award. Sunshine Remy S. Manlayo. Blaze Bash A. Mangisa. Blaze is a Red Eagle awardee. She's also recipient of the following awards: Golden Heart Award, Honest Kid, Determined Kid, Gorgeous Kid Award, and the Good Communicator Award. Blaze Dash A. Mangisa. Those are our kindergarten completers from Kindergarten Blessed Julia. Congratulations, kids. Let's give them a round of applause. Thank you to our dear administrators. Aside from the recognition that we will be giving to our pupils,